Industrial-leading ultra-low light technology captures quality images with very little available light. Let's compare. When day turns to night, traditional IR cameras switch to monochrome, offering hard-to-make-out surveillance details. Starlight technology offers excellent light sensitivity and high-resolution forensic evidence in color under dark nighttime conditions that is equivalent to a moonless night. There's better distinction, making it easier to not only recognize faces but see someone's hair color, clothing, and identify them in case problems arise or crime has occurred. The huge difference that sets Starlight technology apart is it maintains true colors better than traditional IR cameras, and with the combined technology of LTS's Matrix IR 2.0, we offer a competitive solution for superior night images. Starlight technology is most desirable in low-light public environments as the safety of patrons and guests come first, such as bars, restaurants, movie theaters, concerts, and low-light parking garages or structures. These are environments where colors and specific details are needed to help protect the public. Let LTS provide you with quality advantages at the best market prices. For more information on Starlight technology, contact your trusted security consultant today.